What's going on, everybody? Today I got some seat covers from Kustom Interior. Gonna throw them on, cover up this ugly driver's seat that you guys like complaining about, and I'm gonna, of course, show you guys how to do that as always. So stick around and check it out. Alright, so of course got these seat covers from Kustom Interior. They come in 3 colors: red, black, and then red with black. I think the red is on the outside, and then like the center pieces are black. They are side specific. I will show you that in a second. But of course, here's my driver's seat. You know, everybody complains about it all the time, and this is a good solution. You can put these on 2 different ways, of course, with the seat in the car or with the seat out of the car. I'm going to be doing it both ways. I'm going to start with the seat in the car, show you guys how to do that, then show you how to remove the seat and put these on. It is better to put them on outside of the car, but if you're not able to, of course, I'm going to show you that. Here's the inside. Here's the padding and everything, the clips, so you can see those. On the back part here, we have a little pouch, which is an added space, you know, especially on these Corvettes, because there's not a lot of places to put stuff. So yeah. Okay, so first step, you want to take off the roof of the car. It's going to give you a lot more room and access to these seats. So hop in there, take that off. You guys already should know how to. So these 2 top parts, this one is for the driver's side. The driver's side will have the zipper on the inside towards the middle console, and then the other side doesn't have anything. There's the 2 bungee cords on the bottom, and then the 3 little clips that go towards the back of the seat. As far as the bottom part, the side that has the cutout on it will go on the outside, and then this piece that has it sewn in will go on the inside towards the center console. So this one is the driver's seat. So there you can see this is cut out for the little seat controls right there, and then this will be the passenger side. You can see it has that sewn in on the inside. That's for over there with this little bungee that clips behind the seat. Alright, so the easiest way with the seat in the car for me was to start off with the bottom part. You want to get this right here, grab the seat, pull it back, and stuff it in there. Of course, you want to get this in between the seat belt buckle and the seat itself. So you're going to have to maneuver this. This is the first part you want to get in there. You want to reach your hand back and pull on that cord, and then stuff that seat down in there, or seat cover down in between this right here. It makes it way easier if you pull back on the seat like so. Keep going till you get it tucked down into that little rib right there, or line, whatever you want to call that. Then lean the seat forward and grab the little piece right here. Bring that back as far as you can so that you can snap the bungee to the other side. Back over here on this side, the outside, you want to tuck in the extra piece that's hanging out behind the control panel if you can, just to make it look good. And then from there, on the front of the seat, there are the 2 bungee cords. These are kind of confusing, but there's 2 poles or rods under the seat. There's that one in the front right there. It's not far back enough for these to even stretch, you know, to create tension. And then there's one in the back, if I can show you, right there. If you can reach those, you can put it on there. Before I figured all that out, I actually got that bungee cord, used this little tool that I have right here, and took it all the way to the back and hooked it to those little black circles on the back of the the seat, these right here, which was a pretty good idea, but I don't think that's how these work. I'm not sure how those circles on the back work. I'm not gonna lie to you about that. So this is a little grab tool I got a long time ago. Helps me out with a lot of stuff. So I grabbed the bungee cord with that, ran it all the way to the back, under the seat. Of course, you can lift your seat up, you know, adjust it front and back. So I lifted the seat all the way up so I could see what I was doing through this little gap right here. And then reached around the back of the seat, grabbed it and attached it to that black little circle right there. But then I realized there's 3 of those and there's 2 bungees. So that might not be how that works. So I believe these 3 are supposed to go out through the back and just sit there, as well as with the top cover you'll see there's 3 more on there, and I think they're all supposed to line up to keep that snapped back there. But yeah, that's with the bungee cord attached to the black circle, which was a pretty tight fit, and it was good. All right, now for the other part of the seat cover. Of course, you want to make sure that the zipper is on the inside towards the center console. Unzip it like so. Here's the pouch. If you want to see it, it is a nice little pouch. And then it has a little cutout for the part to lean the seat forward. There isn't a gap in these like on the regular seats, you know, for like a harness or anything. But here you go. Here's the padding on the inside, and then there are the 3 circles as well. So you just want to throw this over the top and it slides right down. You want to make sure nothing flips up and gets folded. Just pull it straight down like so. You're gonna need 2 hands, but you'll know when it's on because that part to lean the seat forward will, that little latch that sticks out will go through that square. And as you can see, that'll pop up just like that right there. That's pretty much all the way on. Like I said, you want to make sure stuff like this isn't folded in. So you unfold that, boom, zip it down. There you go. And then the 2 bungee cords can go to the back rod on this part right here. It does have enough tension to keep it stretched out and secure it down. And the black circles, another way you could try to do these, I guess, would be to wrap them around the bungee cord for the bottom part of the seat covers, just like the strap is already in there. If you kind of get what I mean, how that's wrapped around there already. All right, so the second way you can do it, of course, is to take the seat out. I'm going to show you how to do that. So first, there's these little plastic covers that cover up the bolts in the front. They just latch on like so. You just slide it on, and then there's this little tab that keeps it connected. So what you want to do is pop out the top of that little tab and then pull that forward, and you have these bolts right here. There's 4 of them holding the seat in. They are a 15, so yeah, get those off, and then you will be able to unplug the seat, of course, because it's an electrical seat. Best way to unplug it is to just lift up on the front and reach those electrical plugs. You're gonna probably need like a flathead or something. There's 2 of them. Of course, once the seat is raised up, you can access those a lot easier. With those 2 plugs detached and the bolts, the 4 of them removed, you can now remove the seat. Of course, you want to lean the back forward, lock that in, and then remove it with the rear first. Of course, you want to have the roof off also for this. Makes it way easier. Take your time, make sure you don't scratch your paint. You know, if you want to cover your paint, cover it. All right, with the seat out the car, now it's way easier to access everything, especially those rods for the front bungees on the bottom part. You can even route them different ways, you know, under the motors and stuff if you want to. But yeah, here we go. Of course, still start off with the bottom part. Get that, and you want to put it in between the seatbelt and the seat. It's way easier to move the seatbelt buckle now with the seat out the car, so you can really get that in there. It's even way easier to snap the back bungee cord together. There's nothing, in the way, and you can easily get these bungees all the way to the back to make sure that they're tight. And as far as the other piece, even easier. It just slides right on. Of course, it's all the way on once that little box gets over the latch for the top of the seat to lean it forward. Make sure that's not folded in like so. Fold it out. Get that latch into this little square hole and pull everything down. So there should be 6 of these black circular things coming out the back here, the clips. You can do them like I did on this left one or the middle one, just have it laying there. And then the 2 bungee cords for the back part, you want to make sure you clip those onto the back rod. For the passenger seat, same exact process, just the covers are reversed. But here you go. Here is the new look. Looks really, really good. Makes the car pop. I always wanted my interior to, set off the car. Needs a little bit more work, but driver's seat looks good. Once again, thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one. Here's the idle clip.